Hi, this is Angelina. We're going to stretch, strengthen, and breathe, all in just a few minutes. Welcome to your beginner home workout. No equipment, no stress. Ready? Let's go. Round 1. Stretch, 10 seconds. Start by reaching your arms overhead. Stretch tall. Now gently lean to the left and to the right. Feel the tension release from your spine and shoulders. Deep breath in, then slow exhale. Deep breath in, then slow exhale. Deep breath in, then slow exhale. Feel your body loosening up with every round. Repeat the same structure 3 to 4 more times. Plank, 20 seconds. Now down into a plank, either on your hands or forearms, knees or toes. Keep your core tight and your back straight. You're stronger than you think. Just hold it right here. Focus on your breath. Keep your back level. You're building real strength here. Next, sit-ups, 10 seconds. Gently lower down to your back. Let's do a few sit-ups, just enough to feel your core engage. Exhale as you come up. Inhale on the way down. You're doing great. Even one more rep than last time is progress. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Let's finish strong. Amazing work. Just a few minutes a day makes a big difference. Again, inhale calm. Exhale tension. Again, inhale calm. Exhale tension. Like, subscribe, and join me tomorrow for another beginner-friendly workout. Subscribe for more easy workouts. Comment, how do you feel after this?